KMRSounds.
You say me are your passenger princess, but I know me alone have your interest. Jano star, a woman shot a girl in your car. Oh, it's just me and you in the oxy. From me get the beamer coming like you run a taxi. Two of it full of girl and none of them don't match me. Is this a beamer or a vaccine? Speechless, my heart freeze. I'ma sit up, bitch up on your screen. Me can't believe that. But they left me alone, cause another brain never need it. After you beg for your next chance, I'ma give up where you feed me. Really, sit up, I'ma put on you. You never deserve it. Try never make you find out, so me can't when the me a brace. I look back in your face, and me I think to myself that you not deserve me. Shoulda you when me dep on top. You're the hottest box. Shoulda ride until you almost then stop. Me shoulda play like a domino. Or you for treat a girl with love you like a puppet show. Call me with power with you, go anywhere far with you. Them woulda want you if you wasn't a star. Me woulda ride with you in any car. But them gyal only want the money where you have. So be cautious who you give your part to. Cause I one wrong move might taunt you. Better be one now. Me done argue, you a star, but remember the stars fall too. Speechless, some feel them, me see the text message come in and me read them. But then you left me alone, my youth are you so toxic. Why every girl forget that trip? I hate till you weak, you know see the razor. Loves to race, I play with my mates. Me know your secret, me see the text way before you delete it. I over that is how I leak it. Oh, you for said it, mine and I give what. Hey, call me with power with you, go anywhere far with you. Them woulda want you if you wasn't a star. Me woulda ride with you in any car. But them gyal only want the money where you have. So be cautious who you give your part to. Cause I one wrong move might taunt you. Better be one now. Me done argue, you a star, but remember the stars fall too. Early morning, you were meant for me, and every time you made me speechless. Me have to take a deep breath. Don't tease me.